5 Another smart storage solutions for small space. 1. Create a media storage system. It can't be denied that an electronic device such as TV always takes large portion of space in a living room. To help you create more free space in your small house, you can build a special media storage system to keep electronic devices. Simple shelving design with movable TV unit is one of the storage solutions you can try. This trick makes your living room will look better organized and create more free space. 2. Using alcove to build a home office. If you need special area to do your office jobs at home, using an alcove to build a home office can be a good solution for you. All you need to turn an alcove as small home office or storage boxes with various sizes and open shelves. This simple idea is best applied for home with small space. Complete the alcove with sliding or folding doors to hide it from people's sight. 3. Maximize every inch of space. The best trick to design home with small space is by maximizing every inch of space available. This trick is also very suitable to decorate your small kitchen where there are many items you need to keep. To maximize each space available in kitchen, you can try to use multiple racks or shelves. This is because there will be a lot of spaces available where you can keep food supplies and cooking appliances inside. 4. Keep all things in just one place. The limited space available in small house gives you not much choice to store the items you have. To trick it, you can keep everything in just one place. This is aimed to maximize the storage units and free more spaces. For example, if there are a lot of furniture pieces with different functions in your house, you can keep them all in one multi-purpose unit such as drawers, boxes, or shelves. 5. Using bay to keep hallway clutter. The last storage solution you can try to maximize each space in your small house is by keeping hallway clutter at bay. For example, you can use storage bench to keep the hallway clutter. You can put your items such as shoes, hats, boots, extra pillows, and much more there. This trick is really a good idea to make your home looks well organized and can hide those paraphernalia things from people's sight.